Hello, this is Dr. Briana Sinatra, and today I wanted to share with you one of our family's favorite fall time recipes. So this is an apple berry crisp, and why I love it is because it has apples in it and berries, which are both low glycemic fruits, which can be great for an after school snack, a nice healthy dessert, or in our case, a breakfast. So I made this last night. We had it for breakfast this morning, and this is what is left from our family breakfast. So I wanted to share the recipe with you, and I hope that you enjoy it. So you can use creative liberty in changing this, but I'm gonna let you know what we do. So this is a 9 by 13 pan. And so I used about 6 apples. So what I do first is cut them really thin. I find that they cook easier. I like to leave the skins on because I think there's health promoting benefits in the skins. They cook easier, and our kids complain about it less if we cut them really thin. And then I put in a cup each of different berries. So in this situation, we had blueberries, we had cherries, and we had raspberries. And then on top, I like to add a teaspoon of vanilla. In this one, I put a teaspoon of almond extract just for flavor, and a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. We have one that we get from a local herb shop that is just super flavorful. So that's what I do there. And then I just mix it all up to coat it. Sometimes it asks for flour or additional sugar on the fruit. I don't think that it's necessary, but that's something that you could add if you want. So for the crust, what I do is I cut up butter. For this one, I used half a cup of butter with half a cup of coconut sugar. And I just mix it with my hands just to try and make it so that it's nice and crumbly. I then add 2 cups of gluten-free oats. Again, mix it so it's nice and crumbly. And then I added half a cup of a gluten-free flour mix. Again, mixing it so it's all nice and mixed together, and then it crumbles really nicely. And then I just add that on top. We bake it at 375 for about 40 to 45 minutes until it's nice and bubbly and kind of a golden brown on top, and then you're good to go. So I hope you enjoy that. It can be really lovely with a yogurt in the morning for breakfast too, or you could make it with some whipped cream or coconut whipped cream or ice cream if you so choose. So I hope you enjoy it. The apples just have great fiber, good minerals and vitamins, good antioxidants. The berries have good healthy proanthocyanidins, which are just great antioxidants. And all of that I feel like is so great for the whole family going into the fall season. So I hope you enjoy it. Bye.